To save or copy a Discord profile picture, open Discord in your computer browser and then just go to the user account or profile you want to download or save the profile picture, or from the server right click on the user account and click on view profile, and here we can see the account profile picture. Now all you have to need to save or copy this profile picture, press Ctrl Shift I, and here we can see the inspect elements open. Here select this select element tool and then click on the profile photo here. Once the profile photo selected, here under this div, expand this div, also expand this SVG width, then expand this foreign info subject, then expand div, and here you'll find this image alter. So this link is this image or profile photo link. So we have to click this link and click on this link, and the profile photo will open in a new tab. Now right click on the image, click on save image, or you can just copy the image from here. So that's how you can actually save Discord profile photo very easily. Thanks for watching.